This is the throttle position sensor in this orientation. This is up. This is terminal A, B, C, D. I didn't loosen these, so I'm just going to test it and see how it looks and show you how I'm testing it following the instructions in the book. This is your throttle over here. It has a little stop right there. It stops against that. I just painted this because I wanted to, but I make sure there's no paint between those because that's a very sensitive spot. It needs to be nice and clean and shiny where this part contacts that little part right there. So I got my ohm meter set up. I'm going to clip onto A. There we go. And then clip onto B, the very one right next to it. Okay, so I got A and B. My resistance is reading 24.4 ohms. Now, if I open the throttle just a little bit, that should go to infinity. So I'm going to open it very slowly. I'm opening it. Nope. Now I'm like a millimeter and it goes to infinity. So that's what it's supposed to do between terminals A and B. Now I'm going to switch this one from B to D. So I'm going from A, the first one, to D, the very top one. See what that reads. 5.109. It's supposed to be between 3.5 and 6.5 kiloohms, 5.1 thousand ohms. It's good. It should not make a difference if I open the throttle. That's all the way open, all the way close, no difference. That's good. Now I'm going to move this alligator clip from the top D terminal to the C terminal, the second from the top or third from the bottom. That should be it. Alright, it's reading 1.02 thousand ohms. It's supposed to be between 0.3 thousand ohms and 2.0 thousand ohms, so that's good. If I open it up, it should increase resistance. It's increasing as I open it, and that's full open. 4.4. It's supposed to be between 2.0 and 6.5, so that's good. Let it close slowly. All the way close. 1.0. That's good. That looks like this throttle position sensor is working properly. If it didn't work properly, then you can adjust this left or right. That's pretty much it. So this throttle body should be good, ready to go back in. If I did need to adjust that and put a feeler gauge between the contact points on the throttle, 0.65 millimeter or 0.026 inch thickness gauge in there. Loosen those two screws, turn it all the way counterclockwise, hook up your alligator clips on A and B terminals, the bottom two, and then slowly turn it clockwise. Find the position where the ohm meter reading changes from continuity to no continuity, and then tighten the throttle position sensor at that spot. Then when you pull the gauge out, you should get something between 0 and 500. When you put your gauge back in, you should get infinity.